Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we are going to tell you about Discord, a free voice, video and text chat for gamers. So let's start the video. Open Google Play Store. Search the app Discord, chat for gamers. Install it. More about this app. Here is what's new in this app. You can edit yourself. More details are here about this app. Live text, voice and video chat. Private and public messaging. Instant invite link. Community management. Push notification controls. Cross-platform app. So these are the features. App is installed now. Open it. Welcome to Discord. Log in or register. If you are new user, register over here. Put your username, email and password. Click register. Here is the intro. Voice chat with gaming, chat with friends, and other options. Here you can add friends. We will do it later. Here are the settings. My account. Verify your account from here. Enable two-factor authority. Privacy and safety. Save direct messaging. Keep me safe, my friends. Open send friend request. Pick the options. Authorize apps. Applications and connections. Connections. Connect your accounts. Add Facebook, Reddit, Spotify, Steam. Voice and video setting for call or chat. Video activity, push to talk, sensitive, and other options. You can test your microphone by clicking over here. Notification settings. Game activity. Text and images. Do the settings for text and images. Appearance settings. So these are the settings. Here you can add friends. Friend request from here. Click over here to accept. Click over here. Now you can message, call, or do a video call. Doing message. Type anything here and send. Also you can add emojis to your text. Different options available. From here you can do the call. It's a voice call or video call. You can do a voice call or a video call. Click allow. Started a call. So this is all about this app, this call. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.